Tapos yung cake yata.
Okay, sit down, sit down.
Sabi niya, sige ba? Basta tayo, basta
Oh, you don't need seatbelt. Sit in your car. Sit in your car. Sit in your car. Oh, clear, clear. Oh, clear. Oh, take out the booster. Oh, no, they're not. They're still alive.
Baka magkamali ng picture. Si Juliet Weng, bahala. Basta available ako.
March 10 ito dating nila si Ernest.
Ano na? Papadala ka na sa Pilipinas? No.
Ate, sabi ko kayo, bakit mo si Ate Jeva na Wilson? Baka natas ka na